Yabona whatever uSibelebele abamchathe ngayo namhlanje bengase bamchathe ngayo nsuku zonke, the beast mode needs to be turned on match day, in each and every match day, the defensive beast mode kaSibelebele. Yabona le beast beyiyo namhlanje bengasabe yiyo nsuku zonke. Defended very well uSibelebele throughout the game, first and second half. Second half there was only a slight change in defending yakhe, and nguvele by qha umuntu owenze utshintsho defending kaSibelebele. Otherwise first half very top defending. Mvalile uPulemodi khangathathe nix bedecline kwanto nje to a point whereby uPulemodi khangalibone bamkhipha half time. Yabo, that tells you about the top defending uSibelebele benayo as a right back. And what I love is that boy-two uSibelebele noPulemodi fast boy-two, yabo, boy-two bane pace, so it was more like a 50-50 deal, but uSibelebele ended up winning leyo battle leyo to a point whereby why man of the match.